Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial introducing Metafactory's data cataloging capabilities, which allow you to capture and manage metadata about your data assets. If you haven't done so already, please make sure to first go through the tutorials on visual ontology modeling, vocabulary and taxonomy management, and interlinking ontologies and vocabularies with Metafactory. As you go through this video, we encourage you to reproduce the examples shown here in a separate tab in your tutorial instance. Let's assume we have some additional metadata about the public vocabularies that have been loaded in our Metafactory instance. We want to make sure that the users know where this data came from. Now, let's navigate to datasets and look at the datasets in our system. We see there are two datasets listed here with a description for each one, and it also includes the links to where the vocabularies come from. There is also a release date and last modified date for each dataset. By clicking on one of the datasets, we can also edit this metadata or add more details, such as version, creator, publisher, etc. Of course, datasets can be any kind of data that has been loaded into the system, such as instance data about persons, organizations, or projects. It helps us to keep an overview of all of the data sources. We can also integrate this data into the user interface. For example, it can be made available to end users in context, such as in the knowledge panel of a resource. To see this, let's search for privacy using the quick search. In the results, we see a relation to a defined dataset. Data cataloging is as simple as that. This concludes our intro to data cataloging with Metafactory. As a next step, you can start with the next chapter in this tutorial on managing instance data with Metafactory. Thank you for watching.